And in Thailand, the famed beaches of Phuket may not open in time by July 1 for tourists as scheduled. We have with us, or let's have more from Esther Odanga of our EBC Thailand Bureau. Esther.
Good evening, CJ, Alma, and to all our viewers. Yes, that's right. The governor of Phuket says the planned reopening of the province to fully vaccinated international tourists from July 1 may not materialize if the number of daily infections continues at the current rate. According to Bangkok Post, the governor said they've set a target for the number of daily infections to go down to one digit by May 15 so that we can reopen the island to the international tourists on July 1st. Kosaku Kiatikun, chief of the Provincial Health Office, said the COVID-19 situation in Phuket was still worrying. The number of daily infections continued to rise among high-risk people in local quarantine. Active case finding was detecting new clusters because there were still social gatherings in violation of provincial COVID 19 controls. Thailand has imposed massive restriction visitor arrivals in order to stem coronavirus, but discouraging tourism has led to its economy recording the worst performance since 1997 Asian financial crisis. The impact has reverberated across the country's services sectors, bruising entertainment, retail, hotels, and restaurants. To recall, Thailand's tourism czar announced that Phuket, renowned for its sandy beaches and sapphire waters, will be used as a test. Tourists who have been vaccinated will be allowed to travel there without mandatory hotel quarantine. Yutasak Supasorn, governor of Tourism Authority of Thailand, said Phuket's sandbox model would begin sometime from July onwards. Foreign visitors will be required to have had two doses of COVID 19 vaccine, a certificate signifying negative test results, and to download a mobile tracking application. Authorities said since the number of infections in Phuket was still high, active case finding would have to be carried out more aggressively. Back to you, CJ.
Well, thank you so much for your update there. We're wishing for the best for you guys there in Thailand. Please do take care and tell us more if you have any more news stories.
Thank you, CJ. Reporting live from Thailand. This is Esther Adanga. We live in interesting times.
Now, here's